Good morning, class 10 children. Today, I am going to teach you a new lesson of chemistry, acid, bases and salts. All of you have been reading about the acids, bases and salts. And you have read it in earlier classes. Today, I am going to give you the concept of acids. What I am going to teach you, these are the fundamentals, characteristics of acids. Even I will derive the definition. Common definition I will derive from here. pH concept of acids, modern concepts of acids and types of acids. In the characteristics of acid, what do you know? I want to take from you. Acids are sour in taste. Is it? What you might have tasted many food materials which are sour in taste. क्या क्या टेस्ट किया है? ऑरेंज टेस्ट किया, खट्टा है. दही टेस्ट किया, खट्टा है. टोमेटो टेस्ट किया, खट्टा है. मैंगो राइप टेस्ट किया, खट्टा है. टैमरिंड इमली टेस्ट किया, खट्टा है. All these things are sour in taste. Definitely there is acid in it. There is acid in it. All is soluble in water. Acids are soluble in water. Second thing is, in all acids, whether you say HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, H3PO4, in everywhere you will find H. These H on decomposition form H ion. Ion किसको बोलते हैं? When particles is charged, either negatively charged or positive charged. That is called ion. These ions can be replaced by some metals. You can say these ions are replaceable hydrogen ion. Replaceable H ion. So what is the second thing we have learned? Acid is sour in taste. It has a replaceable hydrogen ion. And if blue litmus paper, unfortunately I don't have in my home, blue litmus paper अगर डालेंगे तो it turns blue litmus paper to red. मतलब क्या हुआ? ब्लू लिटमस पेपर को रेड बना देता है. एंड लास्ट वन, all acids reacts with base to form salt and water. So this is the things we know. What we have learnt: acid is sour in taste. It has a replaceable hydrogen ion. It turns blue litmus paper to red. It reacts with base to form salt and water. Dear children, we can define. No need to remember all these things. What is the acid? Is that which is sour in taste, has a replaceable hydrogen ion, turns blue litmus paper to red, and when reacts with base forms salt and water. This is the definition of the acids. There are some other concept also. And what is that? pH concept means hydrogen ion concentration. You see, if the hydrogen ion concentration, do you understand? कितना है परसेंटेज में? तो कितना है हाइड्रोजन आयन कंसंट्रेशन अगर more than मोर देन 10 टू द पावर -7 है। मोर देन 10 टू द पावर 7 का मतलब क्या हुआ? 10 टू द पावर -6, ज़्यादा तो यही होगा, -5, -4, -3, वट एवर इट इज, देन दैट विल बी ऑल्सो कॉल्ड व्हाट? एसिड्स। सेकेंड डेफिनेशन क्या है? पीएच कंसेप्ट क्या हो गया? एनी सॉल्यूशंस which have hydrogen ion concentration more than 10 to the power 7 is acidic in nature, means there is acid in it. Third thing is modern concept. Arrhenius was the scientist who gave this theory. He told that acids are the proton donor. प्रोटॉन को देता है, प्रोटॉन डोनर है। और बेस के बारे में भी कह दिया, प्रोटॉन एक्सेप्टर है, या देने वाला। एसिड्स देने वाला है और बेस लेने वाला है। और अब हम बताएंगे आपको टाइप्स ऑफ एसिड्स के बारे में।